some nice pretty colors in here, bright colors. I only see one black item, one dark item. Everything is nice and bright. So I'm excited to show them to you, do a quick try on, and hopefully there are some keepers in here. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. Welcome to my channel and welcome to an unboxing, which I've already done, and a try on of my trunk club by Nordstrom. Lost my train of thought. What I was gonna say, by Nordstrom. What do I want to tell you? Welcome. If you're new, welcome. I do style boxes, lifestyle boxes, beauty boxes. I try to put out a vlog here and there. I like to do reviews. So if you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, oh, thank you guys so much. I love reading your comments. They're so upbeat. You guys help me decide on some items. I might be on the fence. Sometimes we don't agree, but that's okay. You know, we all have our own style. So if you're new and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and tap the bell and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And let's get started. I'm going to show you the items very quickly and then I'll do a real quick try on and we'll talk about the items if there's any keepers. But the first one, let's talk about this bag. I'm just gonna show it to you real quick and then we'll talk about it a little bit more and I'll show you more about it. So crossbody, zipper on the back. So we'll look at it a little bit more in detail. And then I did receive this necklace and I've seen a lot of people receive this. It looks like it's a little shorter than what I thought it was. So I'll be excited to try that on. Look at this pretty top. It's by CECE. Let's see what that looks like. My first thought is it looks like a nightgown top, but you know, you never know till you try it on. Very excited about this top. This is cute. Feels like it might be a linen blend. Vince CAMUTO. That looks fun. Here is a red top stretchy. I don't know, we'll see. I can't read that without my glasses, who that's by. All right, I'm intrigued by these shorts. They are different, they are flowy, they're dressier. They remind me of culottes that I used to wear when I worked, 25 plus years ago. And a pair of jeans. And they are just a regular hem. These are thick, like these are gonna be too warm, these are thick, thick. Who are these by? These are by MADEWELL. They're like, yeah, I would burn up in these living here in Northern Virginia, the humidity that we have. And it does not cool down at night anymore. But we'll try them on, you never know. And of course, price. So let's get started. Let's get to the try on. Okay, these jeans are pretty nice. But let's start with this top. This top is, let's see, it's by HALOGEN. It is cinched all in the front. I am wearing a size medium. It is $39. It feels nice. It's kind of soft. The V-neck I really like. I mean, it's really a pretty pink color. Looks like it's got a little puffiness there maybe. They originally had this online for me to look at in a size small and I changed it to a medium. That's the thing with Trunk Club. You get a preview and then you can go in and say decline it or go ahead and ship it. And you can look to see if you want to exchange it for a different type of item because they'll have similar items if they're available or a different color or a different size. So that's kind of nice. So I changed the size. I kept the color that she selected for me. I don't know, I really like it. $39 seems pretty reasonable. It's kind of like a t-shirt and it will depend on what type of pants I wear with it because, this material is gonna show, all those potato chips that I eat. But these jeans are sucking it all in, ladies. Yeah, sucking it in. But I think it's pretty cute. I don't know. It's a possibility. I could get a lot of wear out of this. Wash and wear. This is modal, tencel, and spandex is in this. So machine washable. I already checked because I'm like, oh, $39. can I put it in the washing machine? So I like it. So I think it might be a keeper. Okay, let's talk about this necklace real quick since you guys can see this. Let's see. What can I tell you about it? It's $44. It's the chain link. It's a Hera, H-E-R-A, is that right? Chain link. It is adjustable. It is the gold. On the paperwork, it said gray. Doesn't look gray to me. That looks gold. I'm gonna have to put my glasses on. So that's cute. I don't know. I don't know how much I would wear it because when I put it next to my other gold jewelry, it's really off, like a really off gold. This is very, very bold, I guess. And the other necklaces I have are really dainty, but I'll have to try them together because I do like this style a lot. All right, let's talk about these jeans by Madewell. They are called the Perfect Vintage Gourmet Dyed Jeans. She sent me a size 28, which actually fit, and they are $138. Yikes, they're thick. They feel nice. They're a perfect length. Pockets. Okay, here's the thing. I actually was considering these, and they are, like I said, they're really thick, but it helps hide all that cellulite, but they're very, very high-waisted, and it pokes out here. I don't know if you guys can see that. So it's not, I think they're too high-waisted for not having that, like the Absolution. Absolution would take care of that. These, I mean, these are really nice though. They are very nice. I just wish they weren't so high weight. I mean, they're above my belly button is down here. Here's my belly button right there. And these go up a lot higher. Yeah, that's too high. It's uncomfortable. It's like, I don't know, it's uncomfortable. So the jeans are gonna be a no. This top will probably be a yes. This necklace, I don't know. I'm on the fence. Okay, let's see what's next. Pockets. Okay, let's talk about this top. This is really cute. This is by CAMUTO. I think it must be on sale because it's $47.40, which is an odd, number. So I think it's on sale, but it's called the White Lace Flutter Rumple Satin Blouse. That's a lot. It does have the really cute ruffle. I love this detail on here. It is, it comes up pretty good. It's got a little bit of a privacy panel there. It's really a nice material. It is machine wash. I did look. I'll pull it out after I show you the shorts, but it's really a cute top. I wish it had some darts in it to make it just fit a little bit better, but it's really pretty. Could dress it up or dress it down. I like it. Okay, let's talk about these shorts. Oh, these shorts are a nice surprise. These are by Open Edit. I haven't heard of Open Edit. And they are the soft, long shorts. They're $49. So they're like a dress short. To me, they're like a culotte because they're just loose. They have there are darts kind of right here. The pockets, are there pockets in the back? Can't tell. Elastic, a little bit elastic waist on the side. And it has belt loops, so I have a chain belt that would have looked really cute on with this. I didn't even think about it until now. I can't tell, are there pockets? I think these are, no, I think those are pretend pockets. Yeah. But they're nice, it's loose. These would be nice for going out, dressing up a little bit. I actually really like them, $49. They feel a little snug, but there's that stretch. I think if I size up, they'll be too big. I'm not sure what size they sent me. Button closure, really cute. What do you guys think? I would wear these going out with either heels or the shoes that I have on. Not sure if this is the right top. This top, let me show you this top. Pull this out, it's pretty long. It's just kind of, there's no shape to it. I want to love this top because I like this detail, but I just think it looks a little frumpy on me. Is that a word? I don't know. I could have darts put in and then it would fit, you know, it would make these sleeves look a little bit better if it was cinched in just a little bit. So I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence. I'll probably end up returning it because I probably won't reach for it. Okay, let me show you the purse. This is a crossbody, and I've already decided I'm not keeping it. It's $195, and only because I don't like the color. I mean, I like pink, but this pink is like a neon pink. This is quilted, it is leather. This is by GEIGER, London, and this is the Kensington Quilted some leather bag. Yeah, it kind of looks like a camera bag by the shape of it. I wanted something that I could just not worry about, throw around, and I need a bigger bag because I'm wearing my good sunglasses that I need to keep in a case, and all the bags that I've been carrying, they're not big enough. I don't want to take all this stuff out because I'm not keeping this. But I like the black detail on it. The inside, it looks like there's pockets and it's lined in black. It has the zipper on the back. Did I tell you it's $195? I gotta love it for that. So back pocket doesn't open very wide, and I have the larger phone. So, I mean, it's a nice bag. It really is. I'm really glad they sent it to me. It's got the hardware on it and the adjustable straps with the gold. It's more like a bronzy gold hardware. It's a cute bag. I mean, I could probably exchange it for a black one, but I was hoping for, I wanted a color bag for spring and summer. I don't know, it's kind of nice. I don't love it, so I'm not gonna pay $195 for it. Okay, I think I have one more item. Oh boy, I need to get this top off. Oh, this top is by CECE. It's $79. They say they sent me a small, but I don't know because it is really, is it supposed to be off the shoulder maybe? Maybe it's an off the shoulder top. Maybe that's why it's so big. Huh, I don't know. Interesting, because it is kind of flimsy up there, but I have to tell you, this ruching on this, or this elastic on my arms is killing me. Killing. They hurt so bad, it feels like somebody is grabbing my, like holding me like that. That's how tight these are. Yeah, they're really tight. Otherwise, it's a really cute top, really cute blouse. It ties, it is a working tie. Love the print. It comes in different colors. They had a different color they were gonna send me, and I changed it to the yellow for bright color. I think it was I don't know what they were gonna send me, but let's see. I almost declined it because I wasn't crazy. I thought it looked like a kind of like a nightgown top, but when I put it on, it's really cute when it's tucked in. But I want to show you how long it is, and it's got a low back. That's why I'm thinking maybe you can wear it off the shoulder. I mean, it's gonna fall off the shoulders anyway, so, but I don't remember them showing it off the shoulders. So yeah, this is gonna be a no, and it's $79. Yeah. Okay, this is gonna be kind of easy. I'm just doing a real quick recap. I'm thinking about keeping this HALOGEN top. I think it'll be a nice, easy to wear. I'll have to try it on with some of my other bottoms to make sure all that that puffiness doesn't come out. Although since I'm sizing up in my clothes, I might not have as much. So this top, I'm gonna return it. It's just too boxy for me. I don't know. Yeah. I'm only gonna keep things I love. Like, yeah. So I'm not gonna keep that. These surprisingly would have been a keeper if they weren't, well, they're too high-waisted. Yeah, they're just way too high-waisted. So otherwise, even as thick as they are, I like them. See, you never know until you try them on. If I would have felt these in the store, I would have never tried them on. That's why I like these boxes. The handbag, yeah, that's going back. Don't like the color. And the necklace, I'm kind of on the fence. I don't know. I'll have to think about that. Because I like it. I just don't know how much I would wear it. The shorts, I'm thinking about keeping these. I think the price is right. I think they're really cute to wear to go out in. They're a little snug, but I don't know. I mean, the price is right, so I don't know. I could still wear them out. Yeah, I could still wear them out. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Okay, of course this top is a no. What do you guys think of my trunk? I think they sent me things that are more my style. So I so much appreciate that. And the things that I rejected, they replaced with a couple things, and they're good. I mean, they did great, I think. This was a replacement, and the handbag was a replacement. So I think they did a good job. So I'm very happy with this trunk, even though there's only maybe 1 or 2 items that I'm gonna keep. That's okay, yeah. So if you guys wanna try Trunk Club, if you use my referral link, we both get a $50 credit, which is really nice. And the styling fee is $25, but if you have a Nordstrom card, the styling fee is waived, but you gotta use your card. So that's it, that's all I have. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.